Hey y'all, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair for this style. First thing I'm going to do is apply a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. You can use whatever kind you'd like. And I'm going to focus this mainly on my ends. Now I'm going to establish my part. I've already sectioned my hair into 4, and now I'm going to start off in the back. I'm applying a little bit more of the leave-in. And then I'm detangling thoroughly. Next, I'm applying a firm holding twisting cream. I like to use something that has shea butter in it for more stretch and more weight. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of shea butter to seal in the moisture. You can also use an oil as well. Now here's the technique. Grabbing 3 strands of hair, I'm gonna start braiding. I braid about 5 times before I start twisting. Now to twist, I'm grabbing the strand on the right and going under the strands to the left, replacing the strand to the left with the one on the right. So basically, I'm going in a circular motion. I hope I've explained it without confusing you even more. Don't worry if you didn't get it this time. I'll be showing you again in a little while. Now I just continue in that motion until I reach the ends. And once I'm towards the ends, I apply some more twisting cream or shea butter, and I continue to 3-strand twist. When I can no longer 3-strand twist, I then turn it into a 2-strand twist and then twirl the ends around my finger. If you didn't get it, here it is again. Now I'm redampening my hair with some water, and now I'm applying my firm holding styling cream, and then I'm gonna detangle that thoroughly. Now I'm gonna start braiding. I braid about 5 times. Now look at me already getting confused. And now I'm gonna start twisting. The strand to the outer right goes under the 2 strands to the left, and that strand goes into the left hand. Does that make sense? I truly hope y'all are getting it by now. And I like to brush through about halfway, and then I continue in that motion. Just think of the motion as a carousel going round and round. That's literally what I'm thinking in my head the whole time I'm twisting, just to stay on track, or else I'll forget and then I'll start braiding. When I reach the ends, and I can't 3-strand twist anymore, then I do a 2-strand twist, and then I twirl the ends around my finger. Now I'm gonna allow my hair to dry 100%. When it's totally dry, I'm gonna start taking my twist out, and I'm gonna coat my hands with some oil and carefully begin to unravel the twist. I like to separate the twist as I go because it's easy to forget a few of those big chunks of hair if you don't separate along the way, because you have so much separating to do. Each time I separate a section, I twirl the ends around my finger to reestablish the way that it was set when it was wet. This is going to help prevent the ends from frizzing out excessively. Also, you don't have to separate as much as I am. If you do separate as much as I am, you're gonna lose a little bit of that shape, but in my opinion, I just like a lot of volume, so I separate a lot. Okay, so here's an example of just pulling the twist apart without twirling the ends. See, you can tell my ends are frazzled, so now I'm gonna add some shea butter to the hair before I twirl it. And after I twirl it, you can see a huge difference in the definition. So when I'm done separating, I'm gonna begin picking at the roots for some added volume. For me, 3-strand twist outs last a lot longer than a 2-strand twist out because it gives me a lot more definition and a lot more stretch. A 3-strand twist out could pretty much last me a full week. And this is how my successful 3-strand twist out looks. So I'm gonna show you how to preserve this 3-strand twist out, and I'm gonna take my satin line headband. I got this one from Charming Charlie's. And I'm gonna slip that over my head like such. Then I'm gonna take a satin bonnet and tuck my ends into it. And I'm going to put that over my head. And off to bed I go. That is how I preserve my 3-strand twist out. Well, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to also share. Sharing is caring. Share this video with all of your curl friends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.